Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video, and today in this one we're gonna be doing something legendary, which is taking off my screen and installing a bracket, which is, where is it? Let me find it. Here it is. It's a mount bracket to tilt the screen towards the driver. So I'm gonna take off the screen, wrap the back of it, and then put the bracket on and install the screen. So let's start taking it apart, and I'm gonna show you guys once it's taken off. As you can see, my friend helped me take this off. And it's all wobbly and shit right here, but that's where the screws are. I can't really get in there, so I'm gonna show you guys sideways. Like this. So those are the screws I have to take off, and then the screen will come out. But I don't have the tools right now, so I'm gonna have to go meet up with someone else and ask them for the tools, because I don't have the tools of my own to do this right now. So I'm gonna go do that and come back in a bit. Let's go. So we're unscrewing the screen right now. As you can see, that's the screw. We're using the phone. And just like that, the second one should come off. Took the cover off already, the sensor, so I'm gonna redo that on the other piece. But yep, now it's off. Hold it. Just wiggle it slowly.
Do this side. No, this way and then this way. So I'm pulling up, you're pulling down. You pull up, I pull down. Okay. I think. It feels like it is. There, you got it. Pull it one more side, on that side. There, you got it. Alright, so hold up. There's a cable, right?
Wait. I was gonna put this back. Take this shit out.
Oh, you're gonna lay this flat?
Yeah. It's good.
So we have to disconnect something? Or from here?
Yeah. We have to disconnect this.
Here?
No, inside. First, let's take the bracket off. Over it. Alright, we're putting the mount in now on the dash with these big screws. Anyway, you get the point. We're putting it in. Already took this cover off, and then we're gonna mount the other bracket, this bracket, onto the screen, and then put it in, I guess. But I was gonna wrap it, so we might actually take the screen to the house and wrap it there.
It's the other ones.
It's only two.
You want me to
These,
record?
not the big ones.
Let me get it.
What?
I'll record.
Yeah, give me the Allen key you have. Look.
Thank you, man.
The real screws that you were supposed to use were the original ones.
Where's the other one? Okay, now what?
Go wrap it?
Like this? You do it now.
Yeah, in the house.
Alright.
Let's go.
But why can't you do it here?
I need a heat gun. Make sure nothing gets in.
It's lit.
Wait.
White, black, red, just not brown. This is my favorite color here. It's great. This one's clean as fuck with the spoiler.
Nice wheels.
Yeah, OEM. If it has these, what? Nice. This.
Now what?
Alright, we just put this bracket on, and now we put the screws on top over here. My camera died again, so we're just recording on the phone now. As you can see, we're just mounting it on, and I'm gonna show you guys the results because there's nothing really fun to watch here. Not me, just this. Right. Got the sensor out. Now I just need the soft cloth. Try and get the box screws out.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just trying to finish both of them off evenly. I'm trying to like bring them up evenly. Oh, no, leave it. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Just wait. Almost done.
I'm sleeping, it's okay.
Yeah, just like that. Perfect.
I love
Grab the steering wheel like you're driving and see if it's good fitment for you.
Yeah, it's good. It's towards
Alright.
me. Just have to see how it is when I move my seat up, because this might be in the way.
Probably, yeah.
Can you mount it higher?
No, it goes lower a little bit once you install this. So it goes lower, and what else? I think it goes a little bit in and lower.
It
And
looks
then
deeper.
Yeah, the only thing you can adjust is left and right.
And it's not even that easy to. I wouldn't let you.
Unless you undo them, right?
Unless you undo them like
Yeah.
50% of the way, which is like a pain in the ass.
Makes no sense.
Leave it the way this is,
Yeah.
and if you really need to
No, why?
put it back.
Why
No, I'm
would
saying
I-
if you really need to, just take this thing off and you just loosen the bolts. Because by hand it's annoying. If you have a machine, like if you have a drill, and you attach this to a drill, it's gonna be like so much easier. Just loosen it, move it, and then
Just
reset
have a
it.
drill in the glove box, ready to unloosen and loose.
I'm almost done anyways.
Why is it moving like that?
Because I'm tightening both sides evenly, so it's still not. It's not fully tightened.
Okay. Makes sense. What do I do with this piece then?
Voila!
It's done? Hey! Let's clean up the screen real quick.
Looks good.
Wait, you carry that little pad to clean the screen?
Yeah.
That's so cute. You keep it in your glove box in the little.
Ooh,
I like that.
looks a lot better.
Hey.
Driver's view. Let's see it.
Yeah, so this is the driver's view. It looks pretty nice. So this is how I would be driving, and it's way closer and facing me, which is pretty nice. I like that. So this is how it looks. I just look over and the whole screen is in my face. So I feel like this is way better. Like I'm driving and the speed is like right there instead of like being over here somewhere. So it's just angled better for the driver and it feels way nice. So as you guys have seen, the screen is looking really nice. It's pointing towards me, which is very nice as well. And it's just better looking in my opinion. I don't know. Everyone is obviously gonna have their own opinion, but for me, I feel like this is way better than it was before. I can see better and actually it feels way different than what it was before. So now it feels like I'm actually using the screen. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to this channel. My camera died. As you can see, I'm recording on my phone and the front camera is really bad. I don't know why, but that's it for this video special that I did for my car. You can check that out in the videos, and that's it. See you later. Peace.